Na sila si Juan. Mamani mo sa pagkita na wala pa dapat sila bambot.
Dagan ban.
Yate. Come here.
Ismoy sama.
Dani mo limon. Nasa ba yun? Ano ba sa dani surprise? Ito sa nagpalit sila. Kunin mo lang.
Lagi.
Abat.
Una mga bata na, tapos pasunod nga to, kukuha rin ice cream, gato na yun, mukha na.
Yeah. Juice. Burger. Si Lola. La, ano sa? Ano yung problema? Wow! Wow, ube. Mango. Ade, una na flavor.
Mas lang sa ice cream. Ay, doon mas lang. May mukha tayo.
My favorite.
sa Cebu.
Ay, nagto sila. Dali na.
Ay, video man yan eh.
Video? Ito ko nga kaya ang snorkeling na limitan. Yan
Yan dito lang.
Yan dito lang. Ay, ito. Mapakiting ay. Yan to na kayo sa daan. Alin na. Wala mo lang. So, sip.
Ayan. Interview. So this is my sister. She planned everything. So this
And my
question. Why do you want to give gifts this
Because-
Christmas?
It makes our hearts happy.
Wow! Lao, birthday wish la.
Birthday wish. I hope that this year you have ibibi na.
Na!
I hope you,
Milingi pa sa imo na ni.
you will live 85 years old
You
also.
have ibibi.
Bibi na la?
Oh.
Pwede ikaw.
Wow. Diyan takaw.
Ay!
My hair. Hi! Today is my birthday, so I just want to share this very short video on how I spent my birthday. So first thing first, we went to this island called Poro. Locally, we call it Poro, but when you see it on the Google Maps, it's called Arangasa Islands. There's one island there with a few people, so we decided to give gifts to the kids, give them ice cream, burger, juice, and a few small gifts. This is actually a family Christmas gift giving. We decided to do this year. Actually, my sister already planned this family gift giving. It's just fall on my birthday, so it's just a double celebration. And now we're currently eating here in what we call the view deck. There's a small area where we can eat, and then we have this boardwalk where you can view the mangroves. And then after this, we will go to my Lola's place and continue giving gifts to the kids. So yeah, that's how my birthday went, and I'm very happy that I'm able to share all the blessings, me and my family doing this together. And yeah, a lot of things happened this year, and yeah, thank you for watching this vlog. I'm very happy. Isa pa.
Happy birthday to you. Good.
Again, 1, 2, 3. Yan tayo. Ha? Balik ka, 1, 2, 3. So, pag video-video na lang mo.
Hi guys, birthday ni Ronitron ni Amiron sa Arangasa Islands. O a i o i a o a i o i a o a
O I A
o i a.
Pa! Kasi gatabon pa sa ko na ito.
Pero si Elaw.
Sobra-sobra. Ina, mo nakibalik ka to nang.
Kuwang pa ko nun allowance. Kuwang pa.
Bukid ka ng kampo, so Pero buhay gihapon sila.
Okay, 1. 1, 2, 3. Again, 1, 2, 3. Yan dayaw. It's the end of the road. But they're trying to put somewhere there.
Dito na sa Pacific.
Paras bitaw sa bantayan. Bako ng area ni.
Oh, dali ka mo nga de.
Miyang giyaan mo na yung cellphone. Uy, kan anak ka.
Dahil mo lang kahayin linya. Una ha.
Wala mo largay.
Siya magpahaburger na niya. Ay, Arky! Pahaburger na niya.
Ano lang? Ano lang?
Salamat, Lord.
Kung pagkaadlaw isang pagbuhan, anad pa man na karapod. Paano nang sa yaw? Oh,